Hey everyone, want to use NotebookLM for academic research? In this video, I'll show you how to analyze research materials, organize information, and improve your study workflow with NotebookLM step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the NotebookLM website. Sign in with your Google account and create a new notebook. Next, collect your academic sources, such as research papers, journal articles, textbooks, lecture notes, PDFs, and other study materials. Now upload your research documents into NotebookLM. Adding your sources to one notebook allows the AI to analyze information directly from your own materials. Once your documents are uploaded, wait for NotebookLM to process and understand the content. Next, ask questions about your research topic. You can ask NotebookLM to summarize papers, explain complex concepts, compare different studies, or identify important findings. Use NotebookLM to extract key points, research methods, arguments, and conclusions from academic sources. Next, create structured notes by organizing important information, quotes, and ideas from your research materials. You can also use NotebookLM to generate study guides, outlines, FAQs, and summaries to support your academic work. For literature reviews, add multiple research papers and ask NotebookLM to identify similarities, differences, trends, and gaps in existing studies. Always review the original sources and citations to verify important information before using it in academic writing. Finally, use your organized research notes to help create essays, presentations, reports, or thesis-related materials. And that's how to use NotebookLM for academic research. By combining your own sources with AI-powered analysis, you can research faster, organize information better, and gain deeper insights from academic materials. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.